Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Ticketmaster to secure accounts against credential stuffing. Complete guide step by step clearly. To register with Ticketmaster and secure your account against credential stuffing, follow these steps. Start by visiting the official Ticketmaster website. Locate the Sign Up button on the home page, usually found at the top right corner. Click on the Sign Up button to begin the registration process. Enter your email address in the designated field. Create a strong, unique password that includes a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. Confirm your password by entering it again in the provided field. Fill out your personal details, including your first and last name. Select your preferred communication options for updates regarding events and promotions. Review the terms of use and privacy policy, ensuring you understand them. Check the box to agree to these terms before proceeding. Click on the Create Account button to finalize your registration. Once registered, log into your new Ticketmaster account. Go to your account settings by clicking on your profile icon. Enable two-factor authentication, if available, to add an extra layer of security. Choose your preferred method for two-factor authentication, such as SMS or an authentication app. Verify your chosen two-factor authentication method by following the on-screen instructions. Next, regularly update your password to maintain security. Monitor your account for any suspicious activity, such as unrecognized purchases or login attempts. Consider using a password manager to securely store your credentials. Always log out of your account after use, especially on shared or public devices. Lastly, stay informed about Ticketmaster's security updates and best practices to keep your account safe. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.